General Hearing's Simply Soft device represents a complex integration of medical quality silicone with today's advanced microelectronics. During this brief video, we will demonstrate how to operate, wear, and properly maintain your new device. Let's get familiar with the various operating components of your new system. The sound port with the no-wax sound filter, the hypoallergenic body, the faceplate, the memory select button, the battery door, the microphone port, and the extraction cord. We recommend that whenever you're installing a new battery to do so over a towel. This prevents the battery from rolling away should it be accidentally dropped. Before installing a battery, you'll need to peel off the battery activation tab. Notice the battery has a plus sign stamped on it for future reference. Hold the device between the thumb and forefinger and carefully swing open the battery door. Insert the battery so that the plus sign stamped on the battery is facing you. Due to the small size of the battery, you may find it easier to install the battery using the magnetic tip on the brush. Once the battery is installed, gently close the battery door. If the battery is installed incorrectly, the battery door will not close. Let's conduct a simple sound test. Cup the device in your hand and hold it close to your ear. Wait 3 seconds and you should hear a high-pitched sound called feedback. If you don't hear anything, check to ensure that the battery is installed correctly and the door is fully closed. If you don't hear any whistling, you may need to try a fresh battery. Proper insertion of the device is essential to receiving the full benefit and comfort of your Simply Soft. Simply Soft devices are identified by either a blue-colored serial number for your left ear and a red-colored serial number for your right ear. Hold the device between your thumb and forefinger. With the sound port pointed towards the ear canal, insert the device into the ear canal and gently push it into place using your forefinger. You may need to use the other hand to gently pull at the top of your ear while doing so. Once the device is fully seated into your ear, your device is ready for use. If you hear a whistling sound or feedback, gently push on the device to ensure that it's properly seated. If this does not work, press the memory select button to change the volume level. When correctly installed, this is the way the Simply Soft will look in your ear. To remove the Simply Soft from your ear, pull the extraction cord with the thumb and forefinger. And remember, never remove the device by pulling on the battery door. To increase the level of sound enhancement, gently depress the button and release. You'll hear a beep tone indicating the current program selection. For instance, 1 beep indicates program 1, 2 beeps indicates program 2, and it continues the same for programs 3 and 4. Program 1 is the lowest volume level, and program 4 is the highest volume setting. Each evening, wipe the device with a clean soft tissue or small towel. Use the cleaning brush to clean the no-wax filter within the sound port, the microphone port, and the faceplate area. Periodically, you'll need to change the no-wax filter found in the tip of the sound port. You should change the filter approximately every 2 weeks, or sooner if blockage is visible. Pull out one of the blue filter tabs from the filter case. Note that there are 2 tips on the tab. The white tip is a fresh filter, and the other tip is for the extraction of the used filter. In your other hand, hold the Simply Soft between your thumb and forefinger. Insert the extraction tip of the blue tab into the sound port. Pull the tab away from the device. You should notice a white tip on the end. Using the other tip of the tab, insert the new filter into the sound port and gently pull away. If you're having trouble extracting or inserting filters, try slightly changing the angle of the tab when you pull away from the device. Simply Soft will not restore your hearing. However, Simply Soft can enhance your hearing ability in numerous day-to-day situations. Try wearing your Simply Soft device every day. It may take a little time to adjust to hearing certain sounds again. We think you'll find that Simply Soft brings an enriched quality of life through better hearing.